Hi guys, it's your boy Nice Henry again from Millionaires FX, and on this one today we're going to be talking about the trades that we took this week. So I want to welcome you to another video. I want you to grab a cup of coffee, water, sit down, watch and learn. On the inner circle, we had a lot of great trading week. We had a great trading week on gold, Nasdaq, GBP USD, GBP JPY, and Euro USD. So let's dive right into it. Today we are going to do a review of the trades that we took within the week, and after that I'm going to talk about false breakouts, trading false breakouts. So some people call it the break and retest style of trading. So I call it the false breakout trades. So today we're going to be looking at false breakouts. So let's dive right into it immediately. So before we start, I want you to like this video. If you like the content, I want you to subscribe to my channel so that you can get more powerful content like this. I want you to join our free Telegram group. The link is on the description. I also want you to join our free Discord group. The link will also be on the description. So let's get right into it. So on gold, we had a nice week on gold. Gold paid real good this week. So on Monday, we started on Monday and we caught this nice move to the downside. We were in a range. We were in the peak. The market have already been falling for weeks. Like I said last week, we entered this peak last week. I think on Wednesday last week. We've been on this range. We've been trading inside this range since last week, and this week we continue to trade inside the range. And guess what? Back to back, we were killing the market. I think it was only on Wednesday we didn't get a trade on gold because I didn't get my textbook set up. So because I didn't get what I want to see in the market, I had to stay away from the market. I don't like to trade in an unfamiliar territory. But guess what? Out of 5 days, we were able to get three good trades on gold. So on Tuesday, we didn't get any trades on Monday because of the holiday, I think. So on Tuesday, we got this nice move to the downside. We caught about 200 pips on this gold. Nice move to the downside. Fell to the ground. So we caught the move and we're so happy. So on Wednesday we didn't get any trade. We had to stay away because I didn't get what I want to see. So but on Thursday we got the slice, this nice move to the downside, and we killed it. Trust me, we killed it very well. So and on Friday we also caught this one again. So guess what? Gold was good this week, man. Every trade we took was a killer, and trust me, it was awesome. And my students were making a lot of money, so I was so happy. Now Nasdaq also was kind of behaving a little bit funny. Nasdaq was also peaked last week. So we've been trading in this peak formation, in this range area, for since last week. I think since last week Tuesday we've been here and we've been catching a lot of good moves. So this week we also continue to catch these moves. We didn't get any move on Monday, but on Tuesday we caught this short 50 pips on Nasdaq before the market reversed on us. So and started consolidating. The truth is that because Nasdaq has been in a range, it have not been giving us a lot of pips like it used to. So we understand. So but on Wednesday we had one bad trade. So I didn't get my textbook set up and we got caught up in the wrong side, and we were stopped out on this trade on Wednesday. So and that was it. But on Thursday we managed to get back at them and we got this nice 50 pips before the market reversed. And on Friday we were also able to get another 50 pips from Nasdaq before the market went into consolidation, and the market have been behaving kind of funny on Nasdaq. So far it was a great trade, but there was no momentum because Nasdaq have a way of acting very, very funny, But so far we were good. We were able to catch about 2 to 3 good trades in a week, and we lost 1 trade on Nasdaq. So then we go to GBP USD. We were also trading in these tight spots, this tight range. We've been in this area, in this range, for about since Thursday last week. So we traded there and we caught nice move there last week, and this week again we're able to catch this nice move. You can see nice 50 pips before the market reversed, and then we closed our trade. And then on Wednesday we didn't take any trade on GBP USD because we had a lot of trades. I think we had a nice trade on GBP JPY, so we didn't actually pay attention to GBP USD. So but on Thursday we did a short. We got a short 25 pips on GBP USD, and the market reversed, and then we closed our trade on break even. On Friday the market continued the consolidation. There was no real movement on GBP USD, so we had to close our trades at break even. Almost all the trades were closed at break even, but that's how it is sometimes, but we got at least one good move, just one move on Tuesday, I think. On Tuesday, yeah. So the rest of the days the market was so boring. Nothing was really happening in the market. We were supposed to get this move on Wednesday, but I wasn't paying attention to GBP USD because the market was only trading within 100 pip box. So it was just fluctuating between 100 pips. There was no real momentum. I wasn't seeing the real momentum in the market, and it was so boring because this on Friday I was supposed to get this nice trade to the downside, but I didn't see it on time. The move already started, and I don't like to jump into a moving train, so I had to wait for the pullback. When the market pulled back into the structure, I wanted to get that sell. I took the second chance sell, and the market went into consolidation. I had to close my trades and walk away. So then we went to GBP JPY. We didn't take any trade this week on GBP JPY. I think only one trade we took. Yeah, only one trade, because we were not paying attention to GBP. We were so busy with other things. But on Friday we caught this nice move from GBP JPY. It was a nice 100 pips. That's it was nice and easy, clean trades, 100 pips, and we killed it, and we were so happy. Then on Euro USD we were able to get the moves. We got some pretty nice trades on Euro USD this week, and it was so good because we didn't take any trade on Monday and Tuesday because of the holiday. On Monday, Tuesday the market was so boring. You can see it was mostly consolidation. So just same thing that happened on GBP USD. And then on Wednesday we caught this nice move, and when we got the pin and the rejection, we had to close our trade with about 60 to 70 pips profit. And the next day we didn't take a trade on Wednesday, sorry, but on Thursday we caught this nice move to the downside, and we killed it, and we took profit on about we were targeting about 1:3.55, but we made about 1:2, because immediately it got to this level the market reversed. When I saw that the market was reversed, I had to take my profit off the table. So on Friday I called out this trade and we took it. It was a nice trade, and we were going down. We were hoping that we're going to be able to get up to this level, this support level here, but the market reversed on us. It didn't get to our take profit, so we had to close our trade before take profit. So guys, that was all the trades we took. The week was a bit boring. It was a boring week, but so far, because of our good money management, I was able to come out with a 10% profit on my account. So I was so happy. Some week we do more than that. We do so much profit when the market is very volatile, and but in a bad week I was still able to do 10%, and some of my students were killing it back to back. So I was so happy. It was awesome in the inner circle, and we had a lot of fun trading. When you trade with a group of motivated traders who know what they're doing in the market. So it was awesome. It was an awesome week. The profit was cool, the trade was cool, the family was cool. We were just having fun while we were trading. So let's dive right into it. We want to talk about false breaks, what some people call the break and retest, the break and retest style of trading. So we want to take a look at false break. So today we're looking at break and retest. And this thing, the reason why I want to talk about it is because um, a lot of people don't know that false break happens in the market almost every single day. And let me tell you something. It is one of the reasons why you guys are losing money in the market. They teach you break when the market breaks a support, a resistance, it becomes support, and then break and retest. You know the technical the classical break and retest. You break the structure, pull back into the structure, and then we move on in an uptrend. Or when you're in a downtrend, the market break the previous supports, and then supports become resistance, and you are now in a downtrend. Yeah, this happens in the chart sometimes, but I want to open your eyes to something. What if I told you that you've been um you've been you've been fooled, that most of the things you were taught about trading is crap. Most of the things you are taught about trading is the reason why you are losing money in the market every day back to back. Do you know why? Because you are not paying attention to the real thing. The goal, the reason, I already said this thing several times. You have been deceived, you have been taught crap so that you're going to lose money in the market. That's the reason why you're losing every day. You're going to the chart and you are hardly profitable, because somebody is playing on your intelligence. They are pointing you one direction and they're doing something else in order to take your money. So let me now explain it to you. What is happening in the market? This is what happens in the market every day. The market is trending, and then it breaks a structure. All of a sudden, you're expecting the market to continue, maybe pull back and then continue. But no, the market does not continue. Instead, you see something like this. The market is not consolidating. Before you know what's happening, the market is doing something like this. This is a false break. False break. How many? I don't know how, because I'm going to show it to you on the charts. It's happening to you every day, and yet you cannot be able to find out what is happening. Why is it that I'm trying to trade the break and retest? The market have already break the resistance. It was supposed to hold, and then I took that buy and it's reversed on me. Guess what? I'm going to take you to the chart and I'm going to show you some classical examples of what is happening on the chart. It's going to blow your mind. My job is to open your eye to the secrets that they will never show you. I want to show it to you so that you can join the 1%, the 5% that is making money, and leave the 95% that is losing money. Now let's dive right into the charts. Now I'm going to use Nasdaq as an example because it happens on Nasdaq almost every single day. Okay guys, so now listen, pay attention. The market broke out. It got here and it was consolidating, and then it got to this point, it broke out, right? When it broke below, it was supposed to continue down, right? Yeah. What happens? It already broke out. It was supposed to break. When it pulled back here, it was supposed to hold and then continue down, break and retest, right? Continuation. What happened? The market pulled back inside and went back inside. Then let's go back. Let me show you another example on the charts. The market break. Look at this consolidation. The market already break this support line, this resistance line. Resistance turn support. Look at the consolidation there. The market have even started moving a long distance, and you'll be hoping that the market maybe is moving to the next resistance. What happened here? The market broke back all the way down inside. Do you now understand what is happening in the market? Now let's go to gold. Let me show you another example on gold. Look at gold on Friday. Broke out of a higher time frame resistance of higher time frame resistance. Instead of to continue up, break and retest, the market consolidated for a while and fall back inside. Do you ask yourself a question, why is this happening? Why is it that, okay, now if the market knew that, okay, we are not ready to break this higher time frame resistance level zone, why do they keep going back there, push into it, overlap into it, and then the market falls back into the range? Why does it keep happening? Look at this one also. Why does it keep happening that whenever the market breaks out of the range, okay, instead of to continue, it will fall back inside? Remember, it was only twice. Look at how long the market stayed inside this range, inside this box. The market stayed inside this box 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, 6 days, 7 days. 7 good days the market, 7 trading days the market stayed. It's only broken once. The break and retest that only worked once when it came in, right? And now we are still inside the box. We are still trading inside the box. We are still trading inside the range. But then the market keep overlapping out there, and then you are hoping that the market have overlapped. Okay, let us go long, and then the market pulls back inside. You've been taught wrong. You've been taught wrong. You've been taught the wrong thing. You've been deceived. Break and retest doesn't work. That is why I taught my students the concept of peak formations. Peak formations is where you get the peak, where the market have peaked after they have hit a major level or a major round number, a bank zone or a significant level where they want to reverse the market from. They begin to consolidate the market 25 pips, 25 to 50 pips inside the next box, inside the next level, only for the market to crash. That is where somebody is dumping their orders. Somebody is dumping their orders. There are numerous orders. Somebody is offloading their orders, and then people who don't know are buying and hoping that, oh, it is break and retest. It is break and retest. It is not break and retest. It is a false break. There is nothing like a break and retest. They keep doing it over and over to you. It keep happening in the market. Look at it. Sometimes the market breaks out of the resistant level, and you're hoping that the market is going to continue up. Look at how far the market have already done. This market have already done over 50 pips, 70 pips above the support level. Okay, what happened? The market broke back inside it again. Ask yourself a question: what is the market doing outside here? What is price doing out here? This is the peak formation. I always talk about the concept of peak formation, peak formation, peak formation, and people don't understand that after the market have finished trending, it goes into a peak formation before a reversal. Now I need to also explain to you that the market only trends 30% of the time. 70% the market of the 70% of the time the market is in consolidation. You need to understand this. The market is in consolidation 70% of the time and only trends 30% of the time. So you need to have markers to tell you when the market is done consolidating, that the real move is about to begin. That's where you come in. That's where you want to trade. If you try to trade inside this consolidation, you are going to get chopped. That's where your stop loss is going to get chopped. You don't want to be trading inside the consolidation. And then when the market begins to consolidate, I'm going to teach you today how to stay away from the bad signals, how to stay away from the consolidation. Once the market begins to trend to an extent, and then the market enters into a consolidation. Once the market begins to consolidate, all you have to do is draw a box and stay away from the market. Just draw a box there and stay away from the market. When the market is done consolidating, come back when you see the sign that the market have broken out of, when you see the market break out of consolidation and it's ready to trend. That's where you want to trade. That is when the move is about to begin again. So when the market is consolidating, you don't have any business trading. You have no business trading. Okay, once you notice that the market is not moving, it's just consolidating, all you want to do is draw a box and walk away. Do something else and wait for the market. Whenever they decide to break out of consolidation, that's where you want to trade. You can see how many trades I'm able to catch simply by drawing the box. You can see them. simply by drawing a box. Look at them, and wait for price to break out of consolidation. You can, this strategy will save you a lot of energy, save you a lot of troubles. Okay guys, just pay attention to these things. I'm telling you, when the market is approaching a support or resistance level, do not expect a breakout, especially if the market just break into a bust and the market is now going back to the previous support level from where it broke into the range, or into the trading range. If the market gets into a higher time frame support or resistance level, do not expect a breakout. The breakout will only happen once, okay, when it comes into that range and when it is leaving that range. Okay, the breakout will not happen every day. Like most of the things you are seeing is just a fake out. They're just doing that in order to lure you to trade in the other direction. That's why when they break out of the box, they begin to consolidate the market there, and they're waiting for you to be able to buy and buy and buy so that you can tap enough volume above that level. Then the market falls rapidly, leaving you in a negative drawdown. Okay, so today I want you to pay attention to this. From now on, start paying attention to whenever the market hits a support or resistance level. Okay, start paying attention to the false breaks. Start paying attention to the false breaks, and you will see the tremendous result it's going to have on your trade. So I hope you learned something from this. I hope you actually enjoyed this video. The reason why I normally put the more educational content after the revision of my trade is to encourage you to watch the whole video. Watch it and you get value from it. I'll see you on the next one. Do not forget to subscribe, like the video, subscribe, join our free Telegram group, join our free Discord group. I'll see you on the Telegram, I'll see you on the Discord. Peace out. Have a nice week.